Did you know psychology isn't just for therapists, researchers, or crime shows? It's in your morning coffee, your social media scroll, and even the choices you make without thinking. Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's psychology series, we're exploring everyday applications of psychology, how psychological principles help us make better decisions, understand ourselves, and navigate daily life. Decision-making and behavior. Every day, we make hundreds of decisions. What to eat, how to respond to a friend, or whether to procrastinate on homework. Psychology teaches us about cognitive biases, those mental shortcuts that sometimes help and sometimes trick us. For example, the confirmation bias makes us notice only information that agrees with what we already believe. That's why you might ignore the healthy snack suggestions on Instagram if you're convinced pizza is the superior food group. Practical examples. Psychology helps in countless areas. Time management. Techniques like the Pomodoro method leverage attention span research. Communication. Understanding body language and tone improves relationships. Self-control. Learning about delayed gratification helps you avoid impulse purchases, or finally start that assignment instead of scrolling endlessly. Case study: habit formation. Consider habits. Psychologists study how routines form. Want to start exercising? Start small. Trigger the habit with a cue and reward yourself. That's why brushing your teeth feels automatic. Your brain is brilliant at turning repeated actions into habits. Why it matters. Everyday psychology empowers us to make smarter choices, improve productivity, strengthen relationships, and even boost happiness. It's not just theory, it's a toolkit for life. So here's the takeaway. Psychology isn't just something you study, it's something you live. From decisions to habits to understanding others, the principles of psychology are everywhere, guiding our daily lives. This marks the finale of our first psychology playlist. But remember, the field is vast. From mental health to workplace dynamics, from technology to sports, there's always more to explore. Check the playlist link in the description, subscribe if you haven't already, and start noticing the psychology in your everyday life. It's more powerful than you think.